What's up, YouTube? It's Aaron with Siegfried's Motorworks. Here today, I'm going to give you a quick little glove comparison. Here's the deal. You're in the market for a pair of motorcycle gloves. You have looked online and you've realized there are more gloves out there than you could ever wear in a lifetime. So you don't know which ones to buy. Personally, myself, Scorpion Exo makes a great product. They have great pricing. There is, with anything you're buying in this world, there's a level where you stop paying for the product and you start paying for the name. Scorpion delivers all quality without that name brand tax. That's not saying Scorpion Exo is not a name brand. Scorpion Exo is a very good brand. They've been in the industry for a really long time. And it is, personally, at Siegfried's Motorworks, it is the only style glove that we stock. We can get a whole pile of different gloves, but Scorpion is our glove of choice. So if you're looking at these gloves here, these are the three styles of gloves that we stock. We stock a Scorpion Scrub, which we would call our entry-level glove. We stock a Scorpion Diversion, which we would call our middle-of-the-road glove. And then we stock the Scorpion Exo Claw 2s. We call this our higher-end or more premium style glove. And this is for street riding. When you're dealing with the Scorpion Scrub, this is a lightweight, very breathable. This is a fantastic glove for a hot summer day. It does still offer a lot of protection. You get rubber knuckle protection as well as palm protection for any kind of slide. These gloves can be purchased for somewhere in the $25 range. Our middle of the road glove is a Scorpion Diversion. This glove can be purchased for somewhere in the $35 to $40 range, and I'll put all the actual prices down below here. These can be purchased for the $35 to $40 range. This is, again, the middle of the road glove. You're getting all the high-end knuckle protection. You're getting all of the joint protection on your fingers. You're also getting leather palm protection. In the case of the slide, leather will keep your hands a lot nicer. That is one feature that is not on your base model Scorpion Scrub. After this, we have our higher-end line, which is the Scorpion Exo Call 2. This is the premium glove. This is a glove that is meant for spirited riding, sport riding. This is the kind of glove that can take a low impact and still be worn the next day. This is a more bang for your buck glove, as it's going to last a longer time. It's going to hold up a little bit better, and it is going to have a little bit better, a little bit more serious knuckle protection. You're also going to have leather throughout. This is going to keep your hand a lot nicer, as well as having a full leather inner on your hand. When you're going to compare this back and go back to the middle of the road glove, you're going to see, you're going to see this middle of the road glove only has leather in critical areas of impact. The rest of the glove is going to be textile. Again, a textile. That's just what we'll call it, textile. You're only getting leather in critical impact areas. And when you go back to our base model glove, you're getting no leather. You're only getting armor, textile, and impact areas. So again, three different choices of gloves that we're going to give thumbs up to. Entry level $25 glove, middle of the road glove, higher end glove. Middle of the road being $35, $45, higher end being $55, $65 range. But at any rate, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about any of these gloves, leave a comment in the video. I'll get back to you as quick as I can. If there's any product that you want to see a review on, tell me what it is in the comments. I'll get it in, I'll review it, tell you what I think about it. But as always, if you made it this far, hit the like button, leave a comment, smack that subscribe button. You can stay up to date with everything going on with Siegfried's Motorworks. And as always, we will catch you on the next video. All right, cool.